Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Word. Whether you're new to Word or just looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be giving you a basic introduction to this powerful word processing tool. In this video, we'll cover the essentials. What Microsoft Word is. The main features you'll need to know. How to navigate the Word interface. So, let's get started. First, what exactly is Microsoft Word? It's a word processor that lets you create documents like letters, resumes, reports, and so much more. It's part of the Microsoft Office suite and is widely used by students, professionals, and businesses around the world. Now, when you open Word, this is what you'll see. This is the Start screen. From here, you can create a new document or open an existing one. Let's go ahead and create a new blank document. This is where the magic happens. This white area is your workspace, where you'll type and format your text. Let's quickly walk through the interface. At the top, you have what's called the ribbon. It's organized into tabs: Home, Insert, Design, and more. Each tab has different groups of tools. For example, the Home tab is where you'll find the basic editing tools like font styles, text alignment, and formatting options. You can bold, italicize, and underline your text right from here. Now let's move on to the Insert tab. This is where you can add things like pictures, tables, charts, and even shapes to your document. See how easy it is to make your documents more engaging with visuals? Word isn't just about typing text, it's about making your documents visually appealing. One more thing I want to mention is saving your document. Always remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any changes. You can do this by clicking File and then Save or Save as if you want to name your document. That's it for this basic introduction to Microsoft Word. We've covered the workspace, the ribbon, and how to start creating a document. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into formatting text, working with styles, and making your documents look professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.